Hi there, it's Adrienne, your client strategist at Emergenetics, and thanks for taking the time to watch this. You're off to a great start. You've already completed your Emergenetics Essential Workshop and you've received your profile, but you're probably asking, what's next? And so, as you can see, we offer a number of products and services that build on the momentum you've started and ensure real lasting impact. For those intact teams designed with your needs in mind, our next level workshop topics apply Emergenetics directly to your team goals in a very engaging, activity driven format, and they help your team put practice into action. For leaders, we do offer customized expert led programming that strengthens leadership capability and builds alignment across your organization. And for those looking for long term integration, many of our clients choose to certify internal champions to integrate the model into training offerings and to create a common language across the organization. We do also offer elective upskilling to keep those certified teams on their game and impactful. And then for flexible ongoing learning, we provide a number of blended options that give you the chance to engage and learn anytime and in your preferred setting. So if any of these options align with your goals, please let me know. Thanks for watching, and I'm excited to help you map out what's next in your emergenetics journey.